Do you feel confused about noun genders in Urdu and Hindi? Today we are going to learn 30 plus vocabulary words, household vocabulary words, and their genders. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Sara, मेरा नाम सारा है और मैं उर्दू पढ़ाती हूँ इस चैनल पे। उम्मीद है कि आप लोग सब खैरियत से होंगे। A lot of my students get very confused when we talk about noun genders. Like every single noun has a gender. Even an English noun in Urdu will have a gender. For example, darwaza, right? It's a noun and it's ending with a. It is a masculine noun. So what I'll do is I'll go through the items in my house. I'll tell you the word for it in Urdu and I'll tell you the gender, and I'll also try to make sentences. If you find Urdu grammar difficult, I made 100 plus videos on this channel. You can go to the playlist and follow the playlist. I teach Urdu with dramas, movies. I teach Urdu with songs, stories, grammar, etc. Before moving forward, do subscribe if you haven't already, because I release shorts and longer videos every single week. If you like this video and you want to support me, you can also become a patron. Now let's get learning. So the first thing we're going to see is computer. Computer is masculine. In Urdu, computer is just computer. That is masculine. Then you have a book, kitab. Kitab is a book and that is feminine. मैं किताब पढ़ रही हूँ और मैंने किताब पढ़ी. Kitab is feminine, so it's going to be padhi in the past tense. Here you can see some snacks. Snacks are masculine. English words are also genderized if you use them in Urdu. मैं snack खा रही हूँ और मैंने snacks खाए. मैंने snacks खाए. Because I'm talking about multiple plural, I'll say is खाए. This is kanchi. Kanchi. Kanchi is, as it's ending with E, it is feminine. Kanchi. Pen in Urdu is qalam. Pen. Qalam. And that is masculine. But in Urdu, most of the people just say pen. Pencil is also pencil. And pencil is feminine. मैंने पेंसिल खरीदी. मैंने पेंसिल खरीदी. खरीदी because pencil is feminine. Bubble gum is feminine as well. मैंने bubble gum खाई. मैंने bubble gum खाई या chewing gum खाई. So this is bed. In Urdu it is bistar. Bistar. Bistar is masculine. मैंने बिस्तर साफ किया. मैंने बिस्तर साफ किया. साफ करना is to clean. मैंने बिस्तर साफ किया. I cleaned the bed. किया because bed is masculine. Here you can see pillows. In Urdu that is takiye. Takiye. Takiye is pillows. Takiye. And a single pillow is takiya, and as you can see it's ending with a, so it is masculine. Takiya. Mujhe takiya do. Give me a pillow. Mujhe takiya do. Mujhe means to me. Give a pillow to me. Mujhe takiya do. Here you can see it is a fleece. We'll just say razai ya kambal. Razai ya kambal. Kambal is masculine, whereas razai is feminine. मैंने कंबल ओढ़ा. मैंने कंबल ओढ़ा. मैंने कंबल ओढ़ा. That means I wearing a blanket. This thing, a sheet, is called chadar. Chadar. Chadar is feminine. Chadar. मैंने चादर बिछाई. मैंने चादर बिछाई. I put on sheets. मैंने चादर बिछाई. बिछाना is to put something on. मैंने चादर बिछाई. Okay, now on the side table, Side table is just feminine. Table is feminine. Table is maze. Maze is feminine, right? Maze. Side table is maze. But actually people just say side table. And you can see this is tissue paper. Tissue paper is a dabba. Tissue paper ka dabba. Dabba is a box. That is ending with a, so it is masculine. Tissue paper ka dabba. Tissue paper ka dabba. Then there are some kitabe here. A lamp. Lamp is just a lamp. That is masculine. You just say lamp. मैंने lamp रखा. मैंने lamp रखा. I placed a lamp. रखना is to place. मैंने lamp रखा. You can see our bags. Bags in Urdu is usually we just say bags. Bags is masculine. मैंने बैग खरीदा. मैंने बैग खरीदा. मैंने बैग खरीदा. खरीदा because bag is masculine. Behind, like you can see this one, usually the one you take to school is called basta. Basta. People don't usually say it though. People just say bag. Or you can say basta as well. Basta. Randomly there is a balloon behind the bag. There's a bird a few days ago. A balloon is ghubara. Ghubara. This is a ghubara. Ghubara is masculine. Here we have a rug. Rug in Urdu is just ghalicha. Ghalicha, and it's ending with a, so it's masculine. Ghalicha. एक कलम पड़ा हुआ है गालीचे पर. I aim to teach colloquial Urdu. Okay, so these are, you can see things like bunde. Like bunde is earrings. Bunde. Here are the earrings. Bunde. Perfume is just perfume. Nail polish is also just nail polish. Ghadi is a watch. Ghadi. Clock is also ghadi. Nail cutter is just nail cutter. Okay. All of these things are mostly like people just use the English word for them. Kangi is tooth comb. But this is usually just brush. Brush is masculine. So this is istri. Istri is ironing machine. Istri. Istri. Or istri ki mez. Istri ki mez is ironing table. Istri ki mez. And this is istri. These you can see are chabi. Chabi actually, because they are all plural. As it's ending with E, it is feminine. Chabi. This is a shisha. Shisha is mirror or glass. Glass is also shisha. Shisha. This is an umbrella, that is chhatri. Chhatri is feminine because it's ending with E. Chhatri. So this is a sofa. Sofa is ending with A. It's a English word, so it's ending with A and it is masculine. Sofe pe baith rahi ho. Baithna is to sit. Sofe pe baith rahi ho. Baith rahi ho. This is parda. Parda is ending with A. Parda. So it is masculine. Parda. Parda kholo. So this is the shelf for books. किताबें रखने की शेल्फ. किताबें रखने की शेल्फ. किताबें रखने की शेल्फ. पर एक गुलदान रखा है. गुलदान is a vase. गुलदान. गुलदान is masculine. फूल, उसमें फूल है. फूल is flower or flowers and they are masculine. मुझे फूल पसंद है. मुझे फूल पसंद है. I like flowers. मुझे फूल पसंद है. If you want to learn the nouns in much more detail, you can follow the links in the description box. If you want to have a proper list of vocabulary words along with genders, you can become a Patreon. In that way, you will receive a PDF every week. Okay, this is a coffee table. Coffee table is just maze. और पानी की बोतल, this is बोतल. बोतल in Urdu is bottle, is just बोतल in Urdu, बोतल, and that is feminine. पानी की बोतल. पानी is water. पानी. It sounds like a feminine noun, but it's actually masculine noun. मुझे पानी चाहिए. पानी ठंडा है. पानी ठंडा है. पानी ठंडा है. Water is cold. Glass is just glass in Urdu, and that is masculine. मुझे glass दो. Cup is just cup in Urdu, and that is also masculine. Candle in Urdu is mombatti. Mombatti. Mombatti is candle. My cat has crashed the whole sofa, hence you can see it's not in a great condition. So a laptop is just a laptop, and that is masculine. मैंने लैपटॉप खरीदा. मैंने लैपटॉप खरीदा. And a charger, you can see this is a charger. Charger is in Urdu is just a charger, and it's also masculine. मैंने charger खरीदा. This is a TV. TV is ending with E, so it is feminine. TV. TV. TV लगा हुआ है. TV चल रहा है. TV चल रहा है means the TV is running, but basically means the TV is turned on. Okay. What else? So this is a picture. Tasweer. Tasweer. Painting is just tasweer, or we just call it painting, and that is feminine. This is कूड़ादान और कचरादान, where you put your garbage. कचरा और कूड़ा डालते हैं. कचरादान, कूड़ादान. A vacuum cleaner is just a vacuum cleaner, and that is masculine. Feel free to write down the words you have learned for vacuum cleaner, lamp, or heater. This is बिल्ली का घर. Do you have a house like this in your home? बिल्ली का घर. मेरी बिल्ली आजकल वॉशरूम में बैठती है क्योंकि वहाँ पर ठंडी ज़मीन होती है, क्योंकि बहुत गर्मी है और उसको ठंडी ज़मीन पर बैठना पसंद है. So I think that is it. If you want to follow more videos, see the links in the description box. I've made several videos on vocabulary words. If you like this video, do subscribe and also become a patron to support this endeavor. I'll see you later. Goodbye.